Hi my beauties and welcome back to my channel. Once again I went ahead and got inspired by the styling diva Sonam Kapoor and came up with this sari draping tutorial. Hope you all will enjoy. This tutorial will bring your cotton saris in use. I hope you all will like it, and if you people do, don't forget to hit that subscribe button in the bottom bar, as well as don't forget to like this video and don't forget to share it out. Let's get started. We're gonna go ahead and start off with a basic sari drape. That is draping your sari all around your body once and just pinning it all around on into your petticoat. That's what I am doing at the moment, as you guys can see me doing right over here. Now I'm gonna go ahead and find the pallu end of the sari or the fancy end of the sari, and I'm gonna roughly pleat it. You wanna pleat it roughly. It's not the time for it to be perfect because it will take time to be perfect. Now I'm gonna go ahead and measure the length on the left hand of mine of the pallu, and then I'm gonna go ahead and drag it from underneath the left hand side, and I'm gonna place the fabric on my navel, like underneath my navel onto the petticoat, and I'm just going to go ahead and grab a safety pin very quickly and pin it in place. That's what we want to do as well. If you want to have a illusion of a thinner vest, you need to go ahead and pin your sari underneath your navel. Now I'm just going to go ahead, grab the loop of fabric that is in between, create a scissor out of my fingers and go ahead and pleat it. That's what the ultimate work in a sari is, to go ahead and pleat it. You want to fairly pleat it, and then you want to go ahead and grab all the pleats, adjust all the pleats as you want them to be. Wearing a cotton sari is a little bit tough, guys, because adjusting each and every single thing and everything should fall in place is a little bit tough. So you have to be a little bit of patience, as well as you need to make sure that everything is looking fine as well. So just go ahead and adjust everything accordingly and make it look as perfect as it possibly could. When it is done, you want to go ahead and remove your entire pallu section, because you want to bring it over your hip, and you want to bring it all the way from underneath your right hand, and you want to place it underneath your navel once again, and then you want to grab a safety pin and pin it right there, as you guys can see me doing here. And then I'm going to go ahead and grab the pallu section, and now it's the time for the pallu section to be pleated fairly or just given time. So just go ahead and pleat your pallu section as beautifully as possibly you could. Now I wasn't getting satisfied because I did wanted to have a border to border pleating sort of a thing, but it was not happening pretty well, so it took me a while to go ahead. I had to pleat it twice, and finally I've got what I wanted in my pallu. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to hold the entire pleats in my left hand, and with the help of my right hand I'm going to grab all the pleats underneath. It would take some effort because of the safety pin present over there, so you want to go ahead and grab it carefully. Now you want to just pull the entire sari a little bit up before you go ahead and place the pleats onto the shoulders. So just go ahead and adjust everything according to your height and the perception of how you want your sari to be looking at the moment. You want to go ahead and place it over your shoulder and make whatever adjustments are necessary, as you guys can see me doing right over here. You want to make sure that your sari is looking perfect, and it's like it is having that perfect sort of square shape as you want it to have. That's it. And framing your figure is one of the most essential things when you're tying something like that. And then going ahead and grabbing a safety pin, I'm just going to go ahead and pin my sari right in place. And that's pretty much it, you guys. I hope you all have enjoyed this video, and if you people did, then please don't forget to give this video a massive thumbs up. Also don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, stay blessed. Bye.